Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop, or should I say today, inside of my computer, because I want to talk about a Harbor Freight coupon sale going on this weekend. I know coupons are kind of going away at Harbor Freight, but they're still around for holidays and special events. And what we have here is President's Day sale going on this weekend. I'm filming this right now, Saturday morning of the long holiday weekend. Monday here in the United States is a federal holiday. So this sale is going on from now until the end of Monday, close of business, February 15th. And it's the 30% coupon sale, guys. And I love this sale because this is when I suggest you go out and grab your clamps. I love the Harbor Freight F clamps, and all Harbor Freight F clamps are under $10, which means you can get 5 of them today, tomorrow, and Monday, because this is good for 1 coupon per customer per day, which means you can buy 15 clamps between now and Monday at 30% off if you choose to do that, because they're all under $10. And this sale is available to anybody, the $10 limit. You can hit print coupon here. I just did. As you can see, you can do a screen capture here, take a picture of this with your phone. This is a valid coupon right here. Go ahead and use it. If you're an Inside Tracked member, everything stays the same except the limit is $20. And if you notice, you don't need a coupon. It says it somewhere in this ad that you don't need the coupon if you're an Inside Track Club member. It doesn't say print coupon here. It says join now and save. And in there somewhere, you don't have to have a coupon. You show them your card, give them your phone number. They know you're Inside Track. You're going to get 20%, or excuse me, you're going to get 30% off 5 items up to $20. It's a great sale, guys. That's all I wanted to do is bring that up and let you know that it's going on this weekend. So take advantage of it. This is the time to jump on the clamps. I love to say this is the sale to jump on clamps. So there we go. Have a great day. Hope you like this kind of content that I like to put out for you. If you do, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Have a great day. We'll see you.